Hey guys, it's Westen here. How are you guys doing today? Now today we're going to jump right into it. This here is our sleeper for our big beautiful Peterbilt, also known as the tugboat. And if you wasn't here last time, we took and changed the color of this sleeper. Look at that. She's blue and pretty. Now, the first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and pull the tape off of it and see what it looks like. Look at that shine. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. All right. Let me find an edge here. Bam! Don't worry, guys. We didn't paint that chrome, but look at that. That's good looking. That's pretty good looking, I gotta say. Look at that, though. Hardly any overspray anywhere. There's just a little bit, just right there. But yeah, that's good. Now you guys might be wondering that this thing up here, oh my God, you didn't tape off the chrome up there. Well, actually that wasn't no chrome. That was just painted up there. This is the only one that got chrome around the vent and the one on those side. It's actually ready to put back onto the truck. Now the other thing we had to take care of was the hood. I know, it's important. We can't drive around with no hood. And I figured something out on the hood. You know what I figured out? We're gonna get us a new hood. So, we're actually going to go over to 4 State Trucks, the Chrome Shop Mafia, over in Joplin, Missouri, and pick us up a brand new hood. I guess there ain't nothing to it just to do it. Let's hook on the trailer and let's head that way. Well, guys, we've officially made it to Joplin, Missouri. We made it to Joplin, Missouri. No, we made it to Joplin, Missouri. 4 State Trucks, home of the Chrome Shop Mafia. And we're going to go in here. If we're honest, we got stuck in traffic, so we're a little bit behind time, but it's about 20 minutes till they close, so hopefully they can get us a hood real quick. Hey, video security, so am I. Who do I need to talk to around here about a hood? Is this a fella right here?
I've got your quote.
You do?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I made it here real early.
Trucking up north, or
we're too broke to own more than one truck. We can afford one, that's all we got. That's all Champlin Trucking's experience.
It was an auction, wasn't it?
Yeah, auction. It was rolled over. It was tired and needed a nap. Decided it was going to roll over and take one.
So he chopped the top of the stack off because the stack was crimped. So he chopped the top of the stack off, drove her home.
He had the fancy ketchup from Whataburger. He had the spicy ketchup. He had In-N-Out. He had Wendy's. He had McDonald's. He
Carl's Jr.
Carl's Jr.
Everywhere.
I'm eating everywhere, man. I'm 500 pounds, man. The doctor says I ain't gonna live, man. I really don't think our hardwood will turn out that well. Oh my Lord, look at that. Look at that dash though. Look at how high that dang gear shift is. You know how that works? You reach over, you hit whoever's sleeping in the bed, you hit the dashboard, you come back, hit whoever's sleeping in the bed again in the crotch, then you hit the window. Or you hit whoever's sitting in the passenger seat. That looks a little bit too long in my case. You got one over here? Oh my Lord, where's that? Is that fiberglass?
Yeah.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll take that one. I know, I feel naked. I don't got my pliers on me. Oh, that's how we want to tie everything down. You can come forward a little bit more. I don't care if you're on the side.
this lift is sketchy.
I don't know if this will fit in the bed or not.
What is that?
Bam! Hey! Okay. Good doing business with you, bud.
Have a good one, guys.
We're gonna try. All right, we're gonna get it strapped down and get headed back to Kansas. We will see you back in Kansas in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we made it back to the farm with our big, beautiful Peterbilt hood, and look at this thing. Now, we got over there, and we actually had a different hood in mind that we was gonna get. We was gonna get the one that was almost like a factory replacement hood. Had these big lip fenders on them, which that's what them have. I'm like, you know what? That thing looks slick because, you know, there's just a little bit too much a gap right there in the tire and the fender. So we went ahead and got the hood with the big fenders on it, and I think this hood will work really good for our Peterbilt. I think it's gonna look great. That'll hold our mounts just to keep, you know, the saddles that keep the hood from sliding back and forth, and like so let it set down the frame, keep it from shaking. Have to put that on the new hood. Have to take these springs off. Have to take these hinges off, and then we'll have to unbolt these hinge brackets from in here and then put them on the new hood. And then I think we can bring the new hood around here and set it up here and then just hook it up and put it on. All right, We're going to go ahead and start pulling all the stuff off this old hood. Try to get this hood off. And then we'll put the stuff on the new one. And get the new hood put on. I'm so excited. Let's do it. Yep. I'm getting ready to tear my finger off just like Waylon did his. All right, go up a little more. There it goes. All right.
I feel all the weight now.
What'd you say?
I got all the weight now.
You do?
Yeah.
All right. Let me set this down. I'm on my side. Give it a jerk. What are we doing?
Wait, hold on. Can we let it down?
I can't. I'm not on my side.
Hold on. I can't hold it.
Yeah. Then you get to go drive around your Peter when it looks like this. You know, what do you guys think? What would you think if you just saw that driving down the interstate?
Mad Max.
I'd say, Mr. DOT officer, there is no rule anywhere that says I have to have a hood. Just a headlight. See, Mr. Officer, have you never watched Cletus McFarland? He proved that things without hoods went faster. That's what we're proving here. I think this will at least add 100 horsepower. The problem that we're having is our brackets down here that need to go over onto our new hood over there. It's got a couple rivets in it. And Bob started. Now, Bob is a big, beastly animal and a lot like a bear. When it gets going into wintertime, she goes into hibernation. She don't like the winter whatsoever. Please, baby, start or we ain't gonna be able to lift that hood. Now's the time we depend on her. She's a loyal old girl. I think she'll do it. Give her a good old shot in there. And let her go. She needs a little more go-go juice. There we go. Yeah! She runs! Oh, you're such a good girl! I really didn't think that would start at all. Oh, me and Bob's got a good relationship. One of them love-hate ones, but we got a good one. Now that we've got Bob started, we need to take our bucket off. We was actually fixing the driveway with Bob the last time we had it running. So, we can't really lift the hood with our bucket. We're gonna pull the bucket off, put the pallet forks back on it, and we're gonna grab a pallet that we can put our blue hood, where's it at? Over there. We can put our blue hood that's over there on the pallet, get it out of the way. We can pull the brackets off that hood, then we'll lift the new pretty white hood off the trailer with Bob, set it over here, put the brackets on it, and put it on the truck. All right, let's do it, guys. That good? Ooh, my shirt came undone. All right, yeah, that's a lot easier to work on. All right, let's pull these off real quick. Well, now I need to grab a, what size is this? 1/2-inch wrench. Give me a second. All right, guys, so we got the brackets off of the hood. Look at them. Now, that's what we was trying to get off. Now, this sits down in here like this. So we had to pull these brackets off because our new hood over there does not have them. So we'll have to put these brackets onto our new hood along with our hinge brackets right there. And then once we get all of them on there, we can pull the new hood up here, bolt it up, put the springs on it, and set it down. What'd you say?
Said I haven't even seen this big beauty yet.
Well, what do you think of her? She's in a couple different pieces at the moment.
She's beautiful.
I know she is.
And that's a big Cummins.
That is a big Cummins. It might weigh more than your car.
Probably does.
I had to get these damn brackets off.
Yeah.
And needless to say, it took about 3,000 years to get them off. But we finally got them.
Is that a dog food bowl?
Yeah, doesn't it make a good plug?
For the air breather?
Well, I'll talk to you later. I got
And it still runs?
stuff to do. I know. You know, I did. You haven't been over here to eat anything out of it recently, so I figured it'd be all right if I just stuck it in there.
I thought we were better friends than this.
I should have called and consoled you. All right, guys, it is cold out here. Dom thinks it's cold. Waylon thinks it's cold. Weston thinks it's cold. This is the WWD hood replacement department. Does that sound good? So, we got the new hood off of the trailer. We got the brackets put on it. And she is pretty much ready to go on. So I guess now what we need to do is unbolt it from the pallet. Get Bob over here to lift it up. We'll take and set it over on its front. That way it's facing the right way. Because as you can tell, the back side is down right now. We need to turn it over. That way we can bring it up there to the front of the truck like that. Then we'll put it on, bolt it on, and put it down and see how it looks. Oh, God, it's cold out here. Waylon, you get on that side. Dom, you want to stand there in the middle, make sure you don't come down too hard. Yep. All right, let's lift this up and flip it over. Put it back on the pallet.
What's going on?
Well, basically, we just got Bob up here, lifted the hood up. They're finishing putting the nuts on the back side of the hinges right now, and then we'll lay the hood down and see how it fits. That's not fair. You got gloves. To be fair, only one of my hands is cold, so. Got it? By the fenders.
Is it all hooked up?
The hinges are hooked up. It's got the brackets up there already, so all we gotta do is set it down and see how it looks. Well, there's still 2 more brackets that we gotta put on it. They go right here and right here. But for right now, we can just set it down and see how it looks. All right, ready? Tilt it back. You got nowhere to grab on? There it goes. Get around the fender. It's on those brackets, I bet. No, push down on it a little bit, Waylon. Damn! Looks pretty good. We still have to adjust this side a little bit. It's riding a little bit too hot. Selfie! Wait. I'm so big I hid Waylon behind me. All right, guys, we got the hood on the truck. Ooh, it is cold out here, and you know what? These guys want to go get something to eat. So with that being said, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. If they're new here, what should they do?
Like and subscribe.
That's right. And you know what? I will see you guys next time.